Tea Cram. English language conventions. Past perfect tense, past participle. 8th grade skill level, question 16. Memedicine. Antidote your ignorance. Show some love and throw some bands on my Cash App. Cash App, hashtag, $, memedicine. Keep me fueled. I can continuously provide you with these builds. Keep you in the know and up your knowledge game. Be sure to subscribe. English Foundation, verb tense, question 16. Complete the sentence with the past perfect form of the verb. Before Hurricane Sandy had finished pounding the Northeast subways and tunnels, blank, leaving thousands of people stranded, unable to get home. The task here is to shift the tense of flood to its past perfect verb form. The perfect tense describes completed actions. Another way of saying this is the perfect tense usually tells about something that has, had, or will have happened. To form the perfect tense, use a form of the helping verb to have with the past participle of the main verb. The past participle of a verb is usually the same as its past tense form. Its simple past tense form, that is. But sometimes the verb is irregular. The past perfect tense tells about something that had happened before something else. It uses the past tense form of the helping verb to have, which is had. Check out this example. We had finished dinner by the time Tim arrived. Again, we've used the past tense form of to have, which is had, across the board, regardless of whether or not our subject is plural or singular. And we've paired it with the past participle of the main verb, whose original form is finished. So finished is regular. It doesn't have a different past participle. Its past participle and its past tense form are the same. So had finished is the correct past perfect tense verb form. All right, back to the original question, now for a detailed solution. Again, the past perfect tense describes a completed action that happened before something else. Keep in mind that the something else also took place in the past. To form the past perfect tense, use the past tense form of the helping verb to have, which is had, H-A-D. You're going to combine this with the past participle of the main verb. According to this rule of formation, had flooded is the past perfect tense of flood. Because the main verb flood is regular, its past participle verb form flooded is the same as its simple past tense verb form, which is also obviously flooded. I'm just giving you additional details as we go along to establish more clarity about verb forms in your mind. All right, back on track. I'm reiterating again that had flooded is the correct past perfect verb form of flood because the flooding of the city infrastructure occurred before and was the direct cause of stranding people in the northeast region of the United States during Hurricane Sandy. We have preceded flooded with the past tense form of the helping verb to have. I want you to note that the past tense form of the helping verb to have, had, is the same regardless of whether or not the subject is singular, plural, or whether it's first person, second person, or third person, okay? For even more clarity, I also want to mention that in this example, our subjects are plural, third person nouns, subways and tunnels. Had flooded is the correct past perfect tense verb form.